Talaga din eh.
Magiging tayo mamaya.
Naka-record to?
Oo, nakarecord na yun.
Ang ganda. Ang linaw.
Hello guys, welcome to my vlog.
Shout out to the Lord and your all on. Carry mo.
Pag-interview ko.
JD, ali here. Ali here. Why are you JD?
To be honest, I don't know.
Same here, same here.
I am just JD.
On the rocks or straight up?
Under a rock, living under one.
Wow, grabe yan bro wala. Alam na Mirante.
Okay guys, where are we today? We're here at Bruce Lake? Okay, Bruce Lake, this is your Ay, picture pala. Okay.
Hello, vlog.
Hey Josh, say hi to my vlog.
Hey, welcome to Sam's vlog.
Yes, thank you. Thank
Have a nice
you.
day.
Don't forget to subscribe,
Of course.
comment, like. Wala, feeling mo. Wala nga, charot-charot lang.
Paano tayo dapat mag-as tayo sa
Oh, ito ang ganap. Nature Center. Arte. Like, babalik kami kasi hindi namin alam ang gagawin. Oh, Pastora. Kayak lang. We're going inside Cruise Lodge. We're going inside. I'm here. We don't know what to do. We need to ask the receptionist. I don't know. Halatari. Sino ka dyan? Sabi ko ulit. Sige, mag-vlog na lang tayo. Let's go ahead and roam around. Iniwan ko na kasi baka malaglag mamaya. Rinig naman yan. So, papakita na lang namin yung lake kasi yung makapag-kayak.
Siguro na 72 kan things they're pinning time bed namin.
Ako naman ako. Okay guys, I'm gonna take over of Sam's vlog. Paano ba? Saan ka ba? Sige, ako na maghahawak sa'yo. Wow! Everybody, let's go. Come on, let's get to it. Where are we going? So last year, we have our campfire over here. Yeah, nasarap na yung bonfire. We will what? Almost fishing na lang tayo. May nagpi-fishing loop. Pwede ba mag-akyat? Pwede atang akyatin yan last year. So kung mag-fish Daya, mag-picture ako dahil.
Thank you so much for taking over. What can you say about the view, sir?
I like it.
Like it. Okay guys, fishing permit. Hindi tayo pwede dito. Dala tayong permit. Wala tayong permiso. Taray, picture taking yan.
Masarap naman dito. Hindi, iikot ko. Dan ka dyan sa tulay. Ah, saan yung falls? Ah,
This is a mini fall.
we're going back to our room.
We're almost there. Hindi ko pa rin na-try eh. Ito na pala yun. Ay, yung taas ba? Hindi pa ako na-try dito sa taas eh. Paano magbukas ng pinto part 55? Hala! Amazing! We're back in a room. Pagod na pagod ako. Grabe. Super pagod. Okay, we're back in a room. We're back in a room. Why is the room open? Basang-basa yung kilikili ko. Basta yung paa ko. Pinagod ako. Time to go home. Uwian na. Uwian na. Okay guys, we're heading down. We're going out. We're going home. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, our nurse. Thank you, thank you. Oh. I think I'm gonna get some cukes. Meron. Eh, kausap ako sis. Sabat ka ng sabat.
Last day? Last day HBC? HCBC?